Last online lecture we discussed the definition of order of chemical reaction and molecularity of reaction. In today's lecture we discuss the factors affecting on rate of chemical reaction. On which factor the rate of chemical reactions are depends. If the factors which are affecting on rate of reaction, if these factors are known, then by knowing the factors which are affecting on rate of chemical reaction, then we can easily control the chemical reaction. There is different factors which are affecting on rate of chemical reaction. The first factor which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction is temperature. The first factor which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction is the temperature, as changing the temperature of given chemical reaction, the rate of reaction also changes. As temperature of given chemical reaction change, the rate of chemical reaction also change. The 2 to 4 fold increasing rate of reaction generally occurs by increasing 10 degrees Celsius temperature. As the temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius for given chemical reaction, the rate of chemical reaction increases by 2 to 4 fold. This rate of chemical reaction depends on temperature. As increasing the temperature of chemical reaction, the rate of reaction also increases. By increasing 10 degrees Celsius temperature, rate of reaction increases by 2 to 4 fold. 2 to 4 fold increasing rate of reaction occurs by increasing the 10 degrees Celsius temperature. This is the first factor on which rate of reaction is dependent. The temperature, at different temperature rate of reactions are generally different. Rate constant we already discussed. Rate constant is temperature dependent quantity. At different temperature chemical reaction have different rates. Every chemical reaction proceeds its own rate. Different chemical reaction have different rates. There is some factor which is affecting on rate of reaction, and this is the first factor which affecting on rate of chemical reaction is a temperature. As increasing temperature or as changing temperature of chemical reaction, the rate of reaction also changes. Then consider the second factor which is affecting on rate of reaction. Concentration of reactant. Concentration of reaction. In every chemical reaction, the concentration of reactant decreases with time. In every chemical reaction, we already discussed, we already learned the definition of rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is defined as changing or decreasing concentration of reactant with time. The decreasing concentration of reactant with time. In every chemical reaction, concentration of reactant decreases with time. This rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. The rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. In chemical reaction, concentration of reactant decreases with time, and concentration of product are generally increases with time. Consider the graph. We plotting the graph, concentration against the time. At different time, rate of reactions are different, and concentration of reactant and products are different. Consider it is initial concentration of reactant. At the time, concentration of reactant generally decreases. This is a decreasing concentration minus dA upon dt. At a different time, T1, T2, T3. T3 at different times, the rate of reactions are different, but concentration of reactant decreases with increasing the time. With the time, the concentration of reactant are generally decreases. In every chemical reaction, concentration of reactant decreases. At initial stage, concentration of product is 0. At the time, concentration of products are 0 to high. Generally, concentration of product increases. This is the concentration. If B is a product, then dV upon dt. This is the increasing concentration at different time T1, T2, T3. At different time, the concentration of product is increases. At the T1 time, at T2 time and T3 time, the concentration of products are increases from T1 to T3. This is the second factor which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of product. In chemical reaction, concentration of product decreases with time, and concentration of in chemical reaction, in every chemical reaction, concentration of reactant decreases with time and concentration of product generally increases with time. The rate of reaction are directly proportional to concentration of reactant. As the concentration of reactant changes, rate of reaction also change. This is the second factor which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction. Then consider the third factor which will be affecting on rate of chemical reaction. Consider the third factor, concentration of product. Concentration of product. Generally, in two cases, rate of chemical reaction is depends on concentration of product. At the two patient cases, rate of chemical reaction is depends on concentration of product. The first case, the product reform the reactant. In this case, in some of the chemical reaction, if conversion of product occurs into the reactant, in this case, rate of reaction also depends on concentration of product. At a two patient condition, at two patient case, rate of chemical reaction is depends on concentration of product. The first case, the product reform reactant. The conversion of product occurs into the again starting material, again starting reactant. In this case, rate of reaction is depends on concentration of product. And the second condition, if the product form in given chemical reaction, the product form itself catalyzes, the product form itself act as a catalyst or catalyze the reaction. The product form in this is given reaction. In product form in given chemical reaction itself act as a catalyst or catalyze the reaction, which will be increase the rate of reaction. In these two cases, rate of chemical reaction is depends on concentration of product. The first case, the product reform the reactant. The conversion of product in given chemical reaction occurs into the reactant. Product reform the reactant. Product reconvert into the reactant. In such a chemical reaction, rate of reaction is depends on concentration of product. And second condition, if product form in given chemical reaction, in given chemical reaction, the product form, this formed product itself act as a catalyst which can catalyze the given reaction. In this case, the rate of chemical reaction depends on the concentration of product. This is the third factor on which rate of reaction is depend. Consider the next factor on which rate of reaction is depends. The presence of catalyst. The presence of catalyst. The third substance other than reactant in given chemical reactions are present. the third substance other than reactant which is present in the given chemical reaction. This third substance generally known as catalyst. The catalyst generally increase the rate of reaction. The role of catalyst are generally increase the rate of reaction, speed up the rate of reaction, increase the velocity of reaction. The catalyst, the presence of catalyst in given chemical reaction also change the rate of reaction. It will be increase the rate of reaction. The catalyst throughout the reaction, the concentration of catalyst throughout the reaction remains constant, it remains unchanged, and after the completion of reaction, after the formation of product, the catalyst we can recover. Throughout the reaction, the catalysts are participating chemical reaction. What is the function? Main role of catalyst, which will decrease the energy of activation required for given chemical reaction. It will decrease the energy of activation and increase the rate of chemical reaction. It increase the rate of reaction. The presence of this third substance, which is known as catalyst increase the rate of reaction. But throughout the reaction, the concentration of catalyst remains constant. Rate of reaction does not depend on concentration of catalyst, but the presence of catalyst increase the overall rate of given chemical reaction. This presence of catalyst also increase the rate of chemical reaction. What is the effect of catalyst on rate of chemical reaction? Consider the example. The reaction between oxygen and hydrogen. If mixture of these two gases, we can store infinite time in dark. The mixture of these two gases, we can store infinite time, long time. We can store these two gases. The small amount of water is formed. The small amount of water is generally formed. The small amount of water is formed. And this reaction should require longer time for completion. But same reaction, consider reaction of oxygen and hydrogen. In the presence of some catalyst, we can use the catalyst. The presence of catalyst, this reaction occurs in fraction of second. This reaction proceeds to give product. This reaction occurs explosively, very violently. The fraction of second required for this completion. This is the role of catalyst. This is the effect of catalyst. Without catalyst, this reaction required for infinite time, long time for completion. But in the presence of catalyst, this reaction occurs in fraction of second. Very fast reaction occurs and formation of water take place. This is the role of catalyst. This is the effect of catalyst on rate of chemical reaction. This is the fourth factor which is affecting on the rate of reaction. And consider the last factor which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction. This is known as the particle size. This size of particle or particle size. The size of particle is very important in deciding rate of chemical reaction. In most of the chemical reaction, reactants are generally in solid state. They are generally in solid form. Rate of chemical reaction also depends on particle size of reactant. It is also depends on rate of chemical reaction. Also depends on particle size of reactant. Smaller the particle size, smaller the particle size. If particle size is smaller the particle size, the rate of reaction is high. In this case, rate of reactions are generally rate of reaction is high, rate of reaction increases. As a particle size decreases. As a particle size, smaller the particle size, rate of reactions are generally high, rate of reaction are generally increases. Consider the granular zinc and powder zinc. The granular zinc and powder zinc. In granular zinc, the zinc has generally large size. The granular zinc catalyze reaction. These granular zincs are react slowly, but powder zinc react very faster. The size of particle size of reactant are very important To decide the rate of chemical reaction, rate of chemical reaction also depends on the particle size. Smaller the particle size, larger will be rate of given chemical reaction. The rate of reaction will be increases as decreasing particle size. Small size reactant react faster than large size reactant. You see the example, granular zinc reacts slowly as compared to the powder form zinc. The powder form zinc react faster than the granular zinc. These are the 5 factors which are affecting on rate of chemical reaction. These are the 5 factors which is affecting on rate of reaction. The first factor which is affecting on rate of reaction is a temperature. The second factor is concentration of reactant. The second factor we will discuss concentration of reactant. The third factor is concentration of product. The fourth factor is presence of catalyst. The presence of catalyst. And last factor, size of particles, particle size of reactant. These are the main 5 factors which will be affecting on the rate of chemical reaction. The temperature, as increasing temperature, rate of reaction increases. By increasing 10 degrees Celsius temperature, rate of reaction increases by 2 to 4 fold. The concentration of reactant, rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. The concentration of product, this is the third factor. At 2 cases, there is a 2 special cases. Rate of reaction depends on concentration of product. The first case, the product reform the reactant, the product reconvert into the reactant in given chemical reaction. In this case, rate of reaction depends on concentration of product. And some other case, the product itself acts as a catalyst. The product formed in given chemical reaction catalyze the chemical reaction. In this case, rate of reaction depends on concentration of product. The presence of catalyst also increase the rate of reaction. The main role of catalyst to increase the rate of chemical reaction. The presence of catalyst also change the rate of reaction. In presence of catalyst, rate of reaction are generally high. In presence of catalyst, reaction occurs in faster rate. And particle size also important. Small size particle react faster than large size particles of given reactor. The smaller the particle size, the rate of reaction are generally high. Rate of reaction will be faster. These are 5 factors which is affecting on rate of chemical reaction: temperature, concentration of reactant, concentration of product, presence of catalyst, and size of particles. Now, today we stop.